Hello guys, I checked the item ha. It's completely set. Here. Final na din siya. Final order. Nakaman siya is done. Oh, sige. Nasa design?
Yeah.
Look at this. There is a 6 baso plastic. Yeah, look at the ano. It's from there's a faucet. A faucet. Ano daw, i-assemble daw. Sige lang. Sige lang ba, try lang kayo. Ano ko. Nag-content ko daw. See, this is the order. Then, there is this. Oh. Then, there is baso, 6 baso. And cover. Hala! Thank you so much, guys. Tama na, okay lang. Ay. I will pay that. Hi guys, hi beautiful cashier, beautiful cashier. I'm beautiful cashier. Asa? Oh.
Sa YouTube lang.
Oh. Sa YouTube naman?
Doon ako sa kuan ba kay diba wala maligya ka tapos medyo madali ka naman rin. Kanto din mga mga sila na yun.
Sa kabila man, sa kabila. Ayaw, sa marketplace, no? Dili man ako. Tama, no? Okay, diretso na lang sila diri. Dili. Sa YouTube na nako. It's a lot of stocks here. This is for kids. Look at this. Kids drawing set for kids. Look at this complete set. Oh. 168 pieces. There is crayons, color pencil, coloring. Oh, set. Good for kids. This beautiful coloring set for kids. So for makeup. That's a stock here. Hi, I will pay this mirror and the galon. Pink gallons. It's here. There is a water dispenser. Hot and cold. Ito yung PVC panel wall. Let's open. There's a
Yes.
let's open. Star shower. Magic. This kind of color lights. My Christmas is ready here. Christmas is ready here. Christmas is ready here. And the children baby set. The beauty products of our bodega is here available now. Rejuvenating set. Ojikso. Bye.